Hey there, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we have a topic that many of you have requested: what a woman feels and thinks when you stop looking for her. It's a fascinating subject that delves into the complexities of human relationships. So, let's get right into it. Segment 1: The initial reaction. When you stop actively looking for a woman, the first thing that usually happens is a mixture of emotions. Let's explore what goes through her mind during this phase. 1. Relief. Thought bubble 1. Finally, some breathing space. Many women feel relieved when they sense that the pressure to find a partner has lifted. They appreciate the opportunity to focus on themselves and their own personal growth. 2. Curiosity. Thought bubble 2. Why did he stop pursuing me? There's often a sense of curiosity about why the person stopped pursuing them. It can lead to introspection and a desire to understand the dynamics of the relationship better. Segment 2: Self-Reflection and Independence. Now, let's dive deeper into what a woman experiences during this period of self-reflection and independence. 1. Self-discovery. Thought bubble 3. Who am I without this dating game? Women often use this time to rediscover themselves, their passions, and their life goals. It's a period of self-discovery and personal growth. 2. Independence. Thought bubble 4. I can handle things on my own. Many women realize their own strength and independence during this time. They become more self-reliant and confident in their abilities. Segment 3: Mixed emotions. As time goes on, a woman's feelings can become more complex. 1. Mixed feelings. Thought bubble 5. I miss the attention, but I'm not sure if I want a relationship right now. There's often a blend of emotions, including missing the attention from the person who stopped pursuing her, but also questioning if she's ready for a relationship at this moment. 2. Emotional roller coaster. Thought bubble 6. Am I making a mistake? Some women may experience moments of doubt and wonder if they made the right decision by not pursuing a relationship further. Segment 4: Communication and reconnection. Now, let's discuss how communication and reconnection can change the dynamics. 1. Reaching out. Thought bubble 7. Maybe I should reconnect. In some cases, women might feel inclined to reach out to the person who stopped pursuing them, either to rekindle the connection or simply out of curiosity. 2. The impact of time. Thought bubble 8. Time has changed us both. It's important to remember that time can change people, and when you reconnect, you might find that you've both grown and evolved in different ways. In conclusion, when you stop actively looking for a woman, it can trigger a range of emotions and self-discovery. It's a complex journey, and every woman's experience will be unique. The key is to prioritize communication, be honest with your intentions, and respect each other's individual paths. Thank you for joining us today on Wonderful Relationship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.